So to start off with, you'll need a bait drill. You can pick these up cheap on the internet. Next you'll need a boilie, and then you want to just gently start drilling through the boilie. Don't push through it because you might crack the boilie, and you want to keep it all in one piece. If you'd like to know how to tie a hair rig, I'll leave a link in the description of the video to a video on how to do that. So next you'll need a bait needle. It has a little hinge on it. You want to pull that back and then push it through the boilie into the hole that you've just made. Then hook the hair rig onto the little hook of the bait needle and pull the hinge up to close it. Then you can pull the boilie back through. That brings it onto the hair rig. And then the last thing to do is to use a bait stop. You can get these in all shapes and sizes, and that just makes sure that the boilie doesn't fall off the hair rig. Once that's on, you can pull the boilie back onto it nice and snug, and you're good to go. That's it for this quick tutorial video. If you like this one, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more fishing related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.